Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your budgeting app with PocketGuard, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin upgrading your budgeting experience with PocketGuard, first, download the PocketGuard app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and create a new account using your email address. Follow the prompts to set a secure password for your account. Next, you'll need to link your bank accounts for accurate tracking of your financial information. Select the option to connect your bank, and choose your institution from the list provided. Enter your online banking credentials when prompted to securely link your accounts. After your accounts are connected, PocketGuard will automatically import your transaction history. Take a moment to review your financial categories, such as income, expenses, and savings goals. You can customize these categories to better reflect your spending habits and financial priorities. Now, set up your budget by defining limits for each category based on your financial goals. As you continue, explore the features under the In My Pockets section to see how much disposable income you have left after essential expenses. Make use of the Goals feature to set specific savings targets for upcoming purchases or trips. To further enhance your budgeting experience, consider setting up the bill tracking feature within the app. This allows you to stay organized and ensure you never miss a due date for bills or subscriptions. Review your financial insights regularly to identify trends in your spending habits. Utilize the Insights section to gain a better understanding of where your money goes each month. If you want to further refine your budget, use the app's analysis tools to analyze your spending patterns. Finally, remember to check in with PocketGuard on a regular basis to keep your budget aligned with your changing financial situation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.